My brother-in-law used to make big money designing cars in Detroit. He and his wife had a vacation home in Florida and investments in both places. Life looked set. Then the auto industry crashed, and he lost his job. Their Detroit properties sank in value. Then hurricanes hit Florida. Their vacation home was swamped. Turns out hurricane insurance isn't the same as flood insurance, so not covered. All their Florida investments dropped too. Now, they're living on a pension and thinking about bankruptcy. They went from set for life to barely hanging on, all because they bet big on everything going right.